What up, guys? We're eventually checking in. Nice to meet you. Today we got 6 secrets of the rich, guys. You know, as we always say, success leaves clues. So now we're going to share 6 secrets that the rich do and the rich have, the habits that they have that could potentially help you today. Stay tuned.
Number 1, we have pay yourself first. Now, I know what a lot of you are thinking. This is what a lot of people do. They think this means take the profits and blow it, spend it, give it all to yourself. That's not what that means. That means take a portion of those profits and pay yourself forward so your future self can appreciate what your present self is doing now. So you want to put these profits in a retirement account, an investment account, something where down the road you're going to say, man, I'm glad I did that back then.
Remember, guys, make your future self proud. There's only 3 things you can do with money. You can make it, you can save it, and you can invest it, guys. Don't forget that. Number 2, guys, get a mentor. Despite still being rich, a lot of rich people have mentors or have business coaches or performance coaches, guys. These guys are utilized to recognize blind spots, recognize spots where they're weak at, recognize opportunities that they can take advantage of, guys. A lot of you guys are walking around here right at this level right now, but if you had a mentor, that could easily take you right here to a different level, guys. So look into it. You get a mentor directly or indirectly through books, biographies, and just overall learning things within your industry, within the realm of you and your scope of.
Next, we have eliminating excuses. And this is tough for a lot of business owners. This is tough for everyday people throughout society. There's an excuse for everything under the sun, but to be successful in this world, you have to get rid of that mentality of creating excuses for everything. Sometimes you just have to go do it. I heard a saying once, if it takes 30 seconds or a minute or 2, just do it right then. Don't make an excuse to do it later. Don't put it off and procrastinate. Do it right now. Highly successful people have schedules where there's no time to make excuses and things like that. So make sure that you're scheduling yourself where there's no time to make excuses. But if it takes a minute or 2, make sure you're doing it right then and not putting it off.
Number 4, guys, don't buy liabilities with your earned income. Earned income is the money made from your job, guys. So what rich people do is they actually take their earned income and they invest in assets such as rental properties, real estate, and a variety of things that actually make them more money. And then they take that money and buy the toys, the liabilities, the fast cars, the houses, the frivolous trips, frivolous clothes, whatever. So don't buy liabilities, buy assets with your earned income.
Which segues us into the next topic, which is you have to put your money to work for you. What this means is kind of based off what he was saying. You want to take your money and invest into assets that are going to create you passive income, that are going to give you dividends or compound interest over time. So you want to buy real estate property and invest in that because over time that's going to make you and generate you more income and things like that. Make your money work while you're sleeping as well, because if you're making money while you're sleeping, that means that your day job can eventually be pushed to the side or even forgotten about. So gradually but surely, so make sure that you are putting your money to work for you.
And number 6, guys, invest in things that you understand, guys. Avoid all the random Bitcoins and this coin, that coin, that coin. Avoid having yourself on a CNBC special talking about how you got hustled. There's no get rich quick schemes out there for you, guys. So always invest in things that you understand. Keep it simple, stupid, right? So things like ETFs, index funds, things of that nature, guys. Real estate, there's no you buy this house and you automatically become a millionaire, guys. Don't fall for that type of stuff, guys. On average, real estate make anywhere from 8 to 12% returns, as well as in the market, you get anywhere from 8 to 12% returns. So anyone saying anything more than that, 15, 20, 50, 100%, all you gotta do is give me this and I'll flip it and I'll bring it right back. When you flip it and I'll get it right back, all that foolishness, do not fall for it. Invest in things that you understand. Stay away from restaurants, stay away from lemonade stand, anything in the food industry, guys. Just keep it simple, stupid. Okay, guys? Invest in things you understand.
All right, guys, you heard it here. The 6 secrets of the rich. I don't know if you're rich and you're watching. Tell us some of your secrets in the comments below. And maybe you're in poverty, you know? Give us some advice or give us some things that may be helping you get out of that state. As always, guys, live adventurously. Like, subscribe below. The world is yours.